Hi, welcome back to TOCOL Online. I'm going to show you today how you use the new functions in Excel like TOCOL. TOCOL stands for to column function. So if I'm to change the whole of this table, all the employees in the different departments in one column, that is all staff. Pretty easy. How do you do this? Is equal to TOCOL function, which is that you select the array. The array is going to be all the employees in the different sections. Then close this and enter. So immediately it will convert all the rows into columns. So you see those are the 60 employees, 15 times 4. Now when you check very well, you see that it is aligning this by row. It is scanning this by row. So you see Alice, then it goes to John, then Sarah, then Michael Turner, then it starts again with Brian. So how do we change this to scan by column? Then we come to the formula function, address bar, comma, we ignore this, then we go to scan by column, which is a true. So I'll select this and enter. So you'll see this time it is scanning up to the first column, then it starts over again. Smith, it starts over again here with Sarah Davis, like that. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you leave your subscription, and we shall keep sending you the same tricks in Excel and Google Sheets. Bye.